had the feeling you were being watched. Footsteps behind you like a shadow when you walk. Can't tell if your mind is playing tricks or not. No. What I'm going through is now rocking my brain. Thinking back, like, do I got any enemies? Where I've been, what I did, what did I say? Yeah. Come in to think of it, I remember one chick that I was messing with, and I was in Connecticut. I met her after my show, I took her back to my room. The next day I had to go, I never thought it would get this deep. Now I got this problem following me. You better be careful, better be careful, better be careful whose heart you break. You never know what you do or say. We'll send them over the edge, so next time I'll be careful. I'm getting letters every other day addressed to me, saying, dear Jason, you and I were meant to be. Tell me you feel the same, or it'll be the death of me. It gets worse now. She reaching out to all my people, friends and family. Got me so paranoid, I'm stepping up security. It's getting crazier, it's difficult for me to sleep. No. Now all I'm thinking is, how do I get out of this? I'm feeling kinda sick, damn, this is some crazy shit. I met her after my show, I took her back to my room. The next day I had to go, I never thought it would get this deep. Now I got this problem following me. You better be careful, better be careful, better be careful whose heart you break. You never know what you do or say. We'll send them over the edge, so next time I'll be careful.
just can't shut the hell up. It's like I need to tell someone, anyone will listen, and that's where I seem to fuck up. Yeah, I forget about the consequences. For a minute there I lose my senses, and in the heat of the moment my mouth starts going, the words start flowing.